Hello everyone, today we'll say about first normal form. See, before starting I want to say about 2 points to remember. The first point is, when a functional differential is given in your exam, it will be always in first normal form. And the second point is, see, first normal form does not contain a multi-value attribute. This means in a tuple, see here about student relation database table, see student ID, S name and branch course is given. See, student ID 100, S name having ABC, having two branch courses XYZ and PQR. So see, in this tuple, a tuple does not contain multi-value attributes. Means multi-value, it will contain only single value. Means a tuple will contain only one single value in first normal form. And yes, in first normal form, it will contain only single value. So the first point is, note it. In 1NF means the tuple will contain only one value, contain only one value, means for every tuple. See, here also same thing will happen. For this tuple also it will contain only one value, but here we have only two values. For this tuple also we are containing two values. For this tuple also we are containing two values. So it is not in first normal form. So what is the means? Why we do first normal form? Why you are doing first normal form? We are doing first normal form to remove multi-value attributes. So when I will decompose this table, now when I will decompose this table and when I will write into first normal form, it will look like this way. See, SID, S name will come. Then see, I am decomposing this table and I am converting into first normal form. This table is not in first normal form because they are containing multi-value values, means multi-value attributes. They are containing a single tuple is containing two values. A single tuple is containing two values, so it is not in first normal form. So I am decomposing this table into first normal form. See, S name, then what they have given, branch course. See, for 100 ABC, what you have, XYZ. See, XYZ. See, now another will come out. See, in the first table, in SID 100, they are containing two values. Now see, I have decomposed into single value 100 containing one value. Now I will write again 100, and in S name will be ABC, and this will be PQR. So this is how we have to decompose it. Now next 101 will come, and DF will come, and the PTR next course will come. Then again 101 will come, and DF will come, the S name, and again PTR will come. See, now see what is the difference between this table and this table. See, in this table, in one tuple we are containing two values. See, one tuple 100, SID 100, we are containing two values. And what happens in this table? See, one tuple is containing only one value. See, this is one tuple containing one value, this is one tuple containing one value. So this is how we see, this is how we can convert into first normal form. But in exam, when a functional dependency is given, it will always be in first normal form. So we have to find out about 2NF or thnf. So there's a, see, note it, point. See, first normal form does not allow multi-value attribute. Does not allow multi-value attribute. This is the means in first normal form we are removing multi-value attribute. What is the function of first normal form? The function of first normal form is we are removing multi-value attribute. So this is about first normal form. This is about basic idea about first normal form. So thanks for watching. In next video we will say about 2NF, then 3NF, then BSNF. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.